Let them pay every which way they can. And a very simple way is PayPal. Okay, PayPal is very safe, very respected, very easy. Okay, here she has the standard payment. Here she has the recurring payment. Now, she also implements Cars for Causes. Is anybody familiar with Cars for Causes?
Sure.
A few of you are, but not all of you. Okay, what Cars for Causes is an organization that will accept a donated car on your behalf. There's no work for you to do. They just need to put the name of your organization on some paperwork. So I do this. I have an old car. I donate it. It's worth $2,000. The paperwork says it's worth $2,000. I donate it from Cars to Causes. I put your name on the paperwork. You get the value of that donation. Cars for Causes will send you the money. You didn't do anything. Somebody went on the website and went click. But if you don't have the opportunity, you don't put that opportunity for them, it can never happen. Cars for Causes. Now, there's also something out there called eBay Giving Works. Every time somebody sells something on eBay, your organization can get a chunk of that, a little sliver. It's not a lot of money, but suppose it's somebody that has a lot of items. Wouldn't that be cool? Especially if you could create a relationship with someone who has a professional eBay business and they're selling stuff all the time. Maybe you get like 1% every time. Again, just put that button on there. Give them the opportunity to give you the money a different way. Yes?
Does that go through eBay? I have somebody who sells stuff on eBay. She wouldn't want to lose her own profit. Does that come out of eBay or out of her?
It's out of eBay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
But is it the individual who sells the stuff that is paying, or is it eBay the company?
eBay.
Oh.
Yeah. eBay sponsored program. Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, so how to ask for money at least 5 different ways. And we're going to go through more. All right. I'm going to show you a $1,000 email. How to make $1,000 in an email. This is what is called the Pajama Program. They're a specialized not-for-profit that gives money to help underprivileged kids to provide them sleepwear and books. And they're very, very successful with email-based giving programs. This is primarily what they do. Has anybody gone to an email program today? You see the power of email marketing? It's really, really good. If you guys aren't doing it, we have some trial cards. You definitely need to sign up for a trial today. Okay, Pajama Program. Let me walk you through what it looks like. Here it is right here. This thing is worth $1,130. That's it, right there. So if you went to some of the examples today, that's it. All you need to do is share your story, okay? And there are a couple of key points. What you need to do is be focused and to the point and have a call to action. Now remember, ask for the money 5 different ways. They ask for the money at least 4 different ways right here. You can't see it, I know, but what they do is they say, make a donation, buy a gift card, buy pajamas outright, and then they have another, this is a promotional video right here. So there's no reason that you cannot put multiple links in multiple places to actually do that. Now, a little bit of a technical issue right here, I would have moved this link. I would have put it higher up because it's pretty close to below the scroll right here, right? So you may have lost some of the option right there. This is a direct quote from the IT manager that made this program successful. Some successful campaigns are just a few sentences, a regular email with no decorations. We just want to keep people updated on what's going on within the organization. We just want to keep people updated about what's going on. That's it. Okay, you guys are struggling. Oh, what do I talk about? Just what's going on. It doesn't need to be overwhelming because these people already know and love you. Just tell them that you're just doing like what you're doing. Now what they do is they get pajamas for underprivileged kids. So they have a picture of a kid wearing pajamas. And you know what this link goes to? An online video. How motion-packed is it to have a video from a little 4-year-old girl talking about how she likes her pajamas? How cool is that, right? And you know what? You guys all have the technology in your pocket. It's right here. How do you do a video? You put your camera in front of someone and say, record video. Okay? Sorry, you got to click a button. Then you got to click another button. That's kind of it to post it. And there you go. Now, if you're asking for $1 million, okay, you need to make it very high quality. Okay? If you're asking for someone to donate to support pajamas, that's it right there. It just needs to be that good right there. Just put it up there. That's a $1,000 email. Now, fundraising for animals. Let's talk about how you can fundraise for animals. There's an organization out there called fairygodparents.org. Okay, the whole point of animals, of this organization, is they want to keep the animals in the homes of the owners. Some of these owners are kind of financially challenged, so they need a little help to maintain these animals. So what they do is they have huge email marketing campaigns, and what they do, this is brilliant, all of the videos are from the point of the view of the dog. Yeah, you haven't even seen a video yet and you already like it. It's already a cool idea, right? So you just need to be creative about this, okay? So here you go, you have this beautiful dog just staring at you. This email campaign created $10,000, right there. A video of a dog talking to you, asking for help. Because it's not that, it's about the emotion, it's about the heartstrings that you tap into. So, but you just need to put it out there. So they use a lot of videos, they use a lot of pictures. Now, there's something technically wrong with this email that they did. What is it? The donate button is way down here, right? That's below the scroll. Let me point out, they made a huge mistake and they made $10,000. This stuff works, man. So even if you make mistakes, it still works. So there you go, fundraising for animals. And you know what? You can even make money. Did you guys know this? You can make money selling wine. Yeah, let me walk you through how you can do that. What they do is they have a sponsor on their Facebook. And the sponsor is actually called benefitwines.com. So on their Facebook page, they, hello, ask for money right in the middle of the page. I told you, you need to ask for the money right away. And right here, they're doing it at least 2 different ways. They're asking for the money right here, and then it promotes this sponsor. Now, they're also asking for you to join the email list. The email list is right here. You must capture those emails from everybody. I'm going to give you a tool at the end, how you can do it automatically. You won't even have to do anything. They'll give you their email address. Really cool tool. All right, so a little bit more about benefitswines.com. It's right here. Benefitwines.com. What it means is you create a relationship with them, and if they sell wine under your brand, under your vision, under your organization, you make money. Here it is. They pitch it. They put pictures of your organization. There are pictures of dogs on the label to the wine. If they sell this wine packet for $118, right here, they sell it for $118, you get 34 bucks.
Wow.
How about that? Hey,
That's
you
pretty
want to help us
sweet.
save dogs while drinking wine? Right? There you go. Yeah, 34 bucks. Is that, hey, give me a woo! Yeah. This right here is creative. Anything that is really creative is going to help you get the money. Give me a donation. Give me a donation.
Right.
No, if you do something creative like this, you're going to get a lot more donations, right? So benefitwines.com. Okay, there are also fundraising opportunities for women's causes. This is Strong Women, Strong Girls. This is what they were trying to do here is create a charitable drive to fund leadership development programs for young girls. This is it, people. This is their email campaign. There's like 10 words on this page. That's it, right? They just have like a couple of really awesome pictures, and that's it. The way they do this really successfully is they tell exactly what they're going to do with the money. Let me walk you through an example. On the next page, they tell you on their webpage or on their blog, on their Facebook page, exactly what it is. Your donation goes a long way. $250 supports a field trip for girls for a year. $100 supports a college mentoring training. $50 supports personal coaching, whatever it is. Okay? So if and when you are doing something awesome with the money, tell people that you are doing something awesome with the money. Because otherwise they're just giving you money, which is cool, But wouldn't it be better if they could say, you know what, I sponsored a girl going to a leadership program for $100.